going to compare the plant's color. Is it either green or yellow? And its height. Is it short or tall? Okay. So those are the two traits that we'll put in our Punnett square. So, if the first plant has a genotype that is big T, little t, and big Y, little y, okay, this is representing yellow and tall, because yellow is dominant to green, tall is dominant to short. The next organism is little t, little t, little y, little y. So this one is green and short. Those are the recessive phenotypes. Okay, so to put this into my Punnett square, my 16 square Punnett square. You have to FOIL. F-O-I-L. So that stands for first, outer, inner, last. Okay. So, in this first square right here, in this first square, I'm going to take the first allele of each trait. So it's going to be big T, big Y, that goes right here. Big T, big Y. In this one, I do the first allele of these two traits. It's little t, little y. Then I do the outer. Big T, little y goes here. The two outer alleles in this genotype, big or little t, little y. Then you do inner. So it's going to be little t, big Y. The inner, little t, little y. And then finally, last. So it's going to be little t, little y. Little t, little y. Now I can zoom across. Okay? So this, yeah, so the FOIL, F-O-I-L, stands for first, outer, inner, last. We're referring to the alleles that are in the genotype. So my first allele is this one and this one. Big T, big Y. I put it in the first square. My outer alleles. So on the outsides, I've got a big T, a little y. I put it there. Inner. So the two alleles that are on the inside. I have a little t, big Y. Put it there. And then last. The last two alleles. Little t, little y. Put it there. Then you do the same exact thing with the other genotype. And then you would just fill in all the squares, cross them. So what would we go right here? Yeah. Big T, little t, big Y, little y. Right here.
Big T, little t, little y.
Big T, little y, little y. little t, big Y, little y. Here. Little t, little t, little y, little y. Go all the way down.
Big T, little T, big Y.
It won't be the same all the way down because, well, yeah, I see what you're saying. But don't get in the habit of doing that. Because what if this isn't all the same? You know what I mean? So just in this specific example, because these are all the same, you could do that. But that'll mess you up if you fall into that habit. So here, little t, big Y, little y. Little t, little y, little y. Big T, big Y, little y. Big T, little y, little y. Little t, y, little y. Little t, little y, little y. Big T, big Y, little y. Big T, little y, little y. Little t, big Y, little y. Little t, little y. Okay. So there you go. 16 square Punnett square.
Take a deep breath.
Yes.
Take a deep breath.
Okay. All right. Did everyone follow that? Yes. Let's see if you can do it by yourself.
Knew you were going to say
Good
that.
stuff.